Hello and welcome to our channel. We're going to tell you a story. Anna sat alone on her small balcony. She looked at the sky. It was full of clouds. The wind was soft. It touched her face like a sad song. She held a cup of tea in her hands. The tea was warm, but her heart felt cold. "I will not fall in love again," she said softly to herself. "Love only brings pain." 3 months ago, Anna's boyfriend, Mark, broke her heart. He left her for someone else. She did not expect it. They were together for 3 years. She thought they would get married. After the breakup, Anna cried every night. She did not eat well. She did not smile. Even at school, her students saw the sadness in her eyes. Her best friend, Claire, tried to help. "You are strong, Anna," Claire said one evening. "Time will heal your heart. Please don't close your heart forever." Anna just shook her head. "Love is not for me. I will focus on my job. I will read books, take walks, and live alone. That is safe." One Sunday, Anna decided to visit a small bookshop near her house. She liked books. They did not lie. They did not leave. The shop was quiet. It smelled like old paper and coffee. As she walked inside, she saw a man standing behind the counter. He smiled when he saw her. "Good morning," he said. "Looking for something special?" Anna smiled a little. It was her first real smile in weeks. "Just looking," she said. "My name is Leo," the man said. "Let me know if you need help." Anna nodded and walked to the corner. She picked up a book about strong women in history. It felt good in her hands. Leo watched her from the counter. She looked sad but gentle. He did not want to disturb her, but something about her touched his heart. For the next few weeks, Anna visited the bookstore every Sunday. She read quietly in the back corner. Leo always greeted her with a smile and sometimes gave her tea. One day he walked over and said, "You always choose books about strong women. Are you one of them?" Anna laughed a little. "I am trying to be," she said. That was the first real talk they had. Slowly, every week they talked a bit more. They talked about books, dreams, and favorite music. Anna did not know what was happening in her heart. She felt something warm when she talked to Leo. But she remembered her pain and stopped herself. "No," she told herself one night. "I will not fall in love again." One day, Leo gave her a book as a gift. Inside, he wrote a note. "You are stronger than you think. Keep going. Leo." Anna held the book close to her heart. She felt tears in her eyes. Not sad tears, but something different. Maybe hope. Claire saw the change in her. "You smile more now," Claire said. "Is it the bookshop?" Anna nodded but said nothing. She did not want to believe that her heart was healing. But then something happened. One Friday evening, as Anna walked home from school, she saw Mark, her ex. He was walking with another woman. He looked happy. Anna's heart stopped for a moment. She thought she was okay. But seeing him brought back the pain. She walked fast and didn't look back. That night she did not eat. She sat on her bed and cried. She felt weak again. She thought about Leo, about the book, about his kind eyes and warm smile. "No," she said. "I will not fall in love again. I cannot be hurt again." The next Sunday she didn't go to the bookshop. Leo waited. He looked at the door many times. She didn't come. The next Sunday she didn't come again. Leo felt sad. He missed her. He didn't know why she stopped coming. But he respected her silence. Anna sat at home and stared at the book Leo gave her. She missed the bookshop. She missed him. But she was afraid. "Maybe I should say goodbye," she said. "So he doesn't wait for me." The next Sunday, Anna walked into the bookshop again. Leo looked up and smiled. It was the same warm smile. "You came back," he said softly. "I came to say thank you for the book," she said. "And goodbye." Leo looked into her eyes. "Goodbye?" he asked. Anna nodded. "I don't think I can come here again. You are kind. But I can't risk my heart." Leo walked closer. "Anna, I don't want to hurt you. I just wanted to see you smile." She looked at him. Her heart was confused. She wanted to believe him. But her fear was stronger. "I'm sorry," she whispered. "I have to go." She turned and walked out of the shop. Leo stood still, holding the book she once loved. It had been 3 weeks since Anna said goodbye to Leo. Every day she told herself it was the right thing. But her heart didn't feel right. She didn't smile anymore. The tea she loved had no taste. Her walks were not peaceful. She missed the bookshop. She missed Leo's quiet voice and kind words. One evening Claire visited her. "You don't look okay," Claire said. "You said goodbye to Leo, but your heart is still there." Anna stayed quiet. Claire sat beside her. "Do you really not want love? Or are you just scared?" Anna looked down. Her eyes filled with tears. "I'm scared, Claire. What if I fall again? What if I break again?" Claire gently took her hand. "But what if you don't fall? What if you rise? What if love heals you this time?" That night, Anna couldn't sleep. She kept thinking about Leo. She remembered how he waited for her, how he gave her the book with the kind words inside. Suddenly, she stood up, picked up the book he gave her, and opened it again. "You are stronger than you think. Keep going." Leo. Her heart felt something warm again. Maybe, just maybe, she had made a mistake. The next morning, Anna walked to the bookshop. Her hands were shaking. She didn't know what to say. She didn't even know if Leo would want to see her again. She opened the door slowly. The little bell above the door rang. It was quiet inside. No customers. Just Leo behind the counter reading. He looked up. For a moment he said nothing. Then he smiled. "You came back." Anna walked toward him. Her voice was soft. "I did. I'm sorry for leaving. I was afraid." Leo put down his book. "I understand. I missed coming here," she said. "I missed you." Leo's eyes were gentle. "Anna, I never wanted anything from you. Just your smile." Anna laughed a little. "You say the right things." He smiled. "Because I mean them." They stood quietly for a moment. The shop was peaceful. Then Leo asked, "Do you want to read today?" Anna nodded. "Yes, I want to read. And maybe talk. If that's okay." Leo pointed to the corner chair. "Your seat is still there. It's always yours." Weeks passed. Anna started going to the bookshop again every Sunday. Then on Thursdays too. She and Leo read books together. Sometimes they walked to the park. Sometimes they just talked. Leo never rushed her. He didn't push. He just stayed kind. He waited with his heart open. Anna slowly opened her heart too. One evening as they walked by the lake, Leo said, "I know you are afraid of love. But love doesn't have to hurt. Sometimes love is soft, quiet, safe." Anna looked at him. "You've been very patient with me." "Because you're worth it," he said. She smiled. Real full smile. The kind that comes from deep inside. One night, Claire came to visit again. "You look different," she said. "Happy." Anna nodded. "I am. I'm not saying I'm in love. But I'm not afraid anymore." Claire hugged her. "That's a big step, Anna. I'm proud of you." One Sunday afternoon, Leo closed the bookshop early. He and Anna sat outside with tea and a small cake. "I have something to ask you," Leo said. Anna looked surprised. "What is it?" "Would you like to come with me to a small book fair next weekend? I want you to see the world I love. And I want you beside me." Anna felt her heart beat faster. But not in fear. Joy. "Yes," she said. "I'd love to." Leo smiled. "Then it's a date." Anna laughed. "Careful. That sounds like love." He smiled back. "Only if you're ready." She took a breath. "Maybe I am." That weekend at the book fair they held hands. Anna looked around at the books, the people, the joy in the air. But most of all she looked at Leo. She still remembered the pain from her past. But now it didn't control her. It was just a story. One she had finished reading. A new chapter had started. And in this chapter, her heart was no longer broken. It was healing, with Leo's quiet love, with kindness, with time. 1 year later. Anna and Leo still owned the bookshop together. She taught school during the week. He managed the shop. On weekends they read together, made tea, and helped young children find books they would love. They laughed often. And every time someone asked them how they met, Anna would smile and say, "I once said I would never fall in love again. But I was wrong." Leo would smile too. "And I'm glad you were." I hope you enjoyed this story. Have you ever experienced? Share your stories with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories and adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.